The Cooler Master 360 Atmos stands out with its advanced dual-chamber pump design that significantly enhances water pressure and optimizes flow for AMD R9 and Intel i9 processors. This cooler offers a unique personal touch by allowing users to customize the pump top cover with their own 3D printed designs, adding a creative flair to the aRGB lighting. Engineered for performance, the ultra-thin spade fins within the Cooler Master 360 Atmos deliver targeted heat dissipation, ensuring your system remains cool under pressure. The pre-installed SickleFlow Edge fans are designed to provide high-quality airflow with optimized PWM blades, simplifying the overall installation process. Installation is further streamlined with redesigned brackets that are compatible with AM5 and LGA 1851-1700 platforms, making it user-friendly for a range of setups. In line with environmental sustainability, the cooler incorporates eco-friendly materials, with 35% of its metal being recyclable and a reduced packaging footprint.